so many places. I think I want to start with some fish. I'm a big fish person, big fried fish person. That being said, I know you like shrimp.
Yeah.
Feel free. Let's give it a start. I'm gonna try this. Let's start with a snapper. I think it's fair to just start with the whole big fish. This just looks delicious. This is actually like beautifully tasting. The way it's fried, just a nice little spice to it. The kids screaming for joy as well. Just, I'm gonna try. I mean, they make their cocktail sauce, make the tartar sauce. I think it's only fair. And it's very sweet, and I tried that, but damn, this be delicious. That skin is just perfect. The way it's just crisped up.
So good. It's huge, yeah.
Feel free to try. Okay, and that tartar sauce. I have no complaints about that. How's that shrimp?
It's really, really good. The spicy mayo, good call. It's very good.
Oh yeah. Yeah, and the spicy mayo is like a kind of very special signature sauce they have here. I guess around Super Bowl time they actually have like wings here, which is really cool. Damn, these are fantastic. Again, just like, I love the seasonings, the spices they're using in the batters. Yes, please.
I'm not rip it off.
I'll just rip you a half fish. How's that? Nice big pieces of meat on that one. Do you like oysters?
I don't know if I've ever tried oysters.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh wow. This could be
a first.
This could be an interesting experience. I'm gonna hop over to oyster. This looks really light, very fresh, nice from their raw bar. This is giant though. I'm gonna like try to push this in. Oh wow. With that kind of seafood cocktail on it, that avocado, that richness, that is delicious. I do like a good little hot sauce, a bit of Tabasco and oyster. Continue to jump on that. How's that snapper go?
It's really, really good. It's crispy on the outside. I wasn't expecting like the crisp too. It's really good.
Oh yeah. Oh man.
They're good?
Yeah, they're delicious. That little bit of hot sauce or Tabasco on the oyster, the creaminess of that avocado, woo. I am super impressed. I got a whole thing. I like it. That's a good way to do it. I think this should be a new staple. Instead of just like getting fillets somewhere, I'm just like, hey, just give me the whole fish. I'll take it all. Would you like another piece?
I still have the whole end half of the fish here.
Yeah, there's lots of end halves on this
Yeah.
fish. Please, by all means, help yourself.
I know. I'm passing on this big shrimp. Spears.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Yeah. Whole fish grilled shrimp.
So good.
You just buy it by the pound.
Fish tail back.
You made my fish go back?
I mean, a small bit.
You did. But that's a big ass fish.
It's big.
Excuse my language. I'm gonna try this flounder. Let's run the whole fish. I love that they scored this flounder. Rich spice, a really nice white fish. White pure. Exactly what you want. Shrimp. The fried shrimp is
Fried shrimp
fantastic.
are really good too. All the shrimp.
So I can only imagine those are really good.
More shrimp up there.
Yeah, mambo.
Never ending shrimp.
Never ending shrimp. And that's what's so
Which is
cool.
not a bad thing.
There's so many different offerings here, like so many different types of seafood, and it's crazy, crazy affordable. And that's why so many people come here. And they come time and time again. The place has been around for like 20 some years. Got some fish, this is their traditional fried fish, basa. Oh yeah, you're gonna like that.
Fried fish.
Yeah,
What's it called?
awesome. Front fish, she said.
Well, there's so much, yeah.
Front fish, back fish, middle fish. Get some tartar sauce action there. Yeah, I love a good fried fish.
This is really good.
I'm a big tartar sauce person. Fish and tartar sauce goes so well. And like I said, I love about here, the tartar sauce we have, is their own flair. It's their own little twist on it. Well, that's obviously almost that. Snapper. Pretty good. Want to kiss a fish?
No, I don't want to kiss the fish.
That's a Newfoundland thing. All right, I'm gonna grab this lobster. put it back more accessible to us here. This is definitely, this is a big lobster.
Yeah.
This must have been at least 2.5 pounder. I mean, look at the size of the claw on this thing. That is a big claw, big lobster claw. And this is the Mambo Ranchero, so we got some spice. Woo-wee, look at all the meat in that claw. Holy cow, look at this. That is a claw. Like these? Oh, you can start with that one, there's lots more. All right, lobster.
So good.
The flavors, kind of from that like ranchero sauce, really kind of getting those through. Of course, you get the lobster cooked like however you want. That is a damn good lobster. Yeah, and there's all the vegetables, the jalapenos. I mean, there's like a lot of meat on this one. Of course, we have the other claws. We do have crackers and stuff. And they have all the knuckles. There's a little bit of everything. I think everybody loves a good lobster. Care for meat? That is a big lobster. And I'm gonna get into these little legs. The little claws. It will take time, as the efforts are great. The rewards are great as well, don't get me wrong. The tails here, just exceptional.
So much meat.
There's so much. This is a huge,
It's really
huge dish. That is a big boy lobster. Ooh, that was in the sauce even more. Very delicious. Very delicious. Yeah, all right, I gotta try this. So this is Mambo Ranchero. I gotta try this Mambo shrimp. Because these are like the way, like I said, a little bit like Cajun vibe that you're going on.
It's a really big shrimp too.
Yeah, care some? Let's give this a go here, everybody. See what this is like. Oh yeah, like garlic and butter. There's actually a little bit of heat to that. There's definitely a little bit of heat. I'm gonna grab it for you.
Huge table.
Yeah, definitely. This is a table full of food. There is no doubt about that. Yeah, you really get kind of like into that Cajun vibe, the signature Mambo. I'm gonna really douse that one up, get it all nice and saucy.
They're so good.
The right amount of heat, the right amount of spice. So about the famous rice.
So much food.
Yeah, there's no shortage here, I'll tell you that much.
Dry.
Thank
I'm
you.
dry. There we go.
Grilled shrimp. Beautiful. Simplicity at its best. I'm gonna try some of this cocktail. I gotta try out the oysters. You wanna try your first oyster, Kayla?
I don't know, like I said, I don't know how I'm gonna dump that into it. You couldn't get it, it's so big you couldn't get it in your mouth, there's no way.
I'll just kind of like scoop it in if I were you. Here, I'll show you this. This is what we're working with. These beautiful little oysters. Yeah, I like mine with a little bit of Tabasco hot sauce. Dress it a little bit on a little Tabasco. Good? Okay. To your first oyster. Cheers. Want a spoon? There you go. You say sharing is caring. Alright.
Joanne's mouth is not that big. They're so good.
Well, very delicious. Isn't that fantastic though? I eat way too many of those. Oysters are just too easy to eat. I'm going to try this rice. We got not only the rice, I know we got some scallions, some onions, some shrimp. Beautiful. It's like a delicious fried rice. There are others too.
Yeah.
Want to try it?
Yeah.
Like a whole plate?
Here, you want to eat
Sure. Try the beautiful kind of seafood cocktail. The lovely mix, fresh mix like a ceviche. Cocktail sauce on top. Ooh, lots of shrimp. The onions, the cilantro, we got lime on here. Yeah, this is fantastic. You get such vibe. I'm like, that's kind of it.
That was on top of that, I'm excited.
It's so good. And yes, we've established we're just going to be eating out of the bowl. It's totally okay. Sharing is caring. Well, that's like this place was like a fusion, a seafood fusion restaurant before fusion restaurants were cool. And that's what I'm getting here. Such diversity. This dish is the best thing ever. It is so damn good. I'm getting vibes from like just like fresh seafood, coast or something like. I get little, it brings back reminiscence of Mexico for me. Just those lovely flavors, the cilantro, I tell you that, lime.
I'm like, are you gonna eat it all? Yeah.
Of course not. There's, like I said, there's just
Never ending food?
never ending food. Alright, so see why this is like famous. This is like huge. Look at this rice. That's just their standard large. This would feed like 3 people. How many would eat that? 3, 4, 5, 1, 2?
4.
4. Like a group consensus. 4 people.
This is very good.
You're so full?
Yeah.
There's a lot of food here. Kayla eats like a normal human.
Good comparison.
I might eat a little bit more than a normal human.
A lot more than a normal person.
We had an order of tortillas there. I should maybe make tacos, but
Fish was too good.
I forgot. We're on a seafood diet today. Seafood and I eat it. Wanna try a crab?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, the shrimp. I can pause on the shrimp.
Well, you can eat the
No,
shrimp.
no, it's all good. What are these?
Stuffed crab.
Okay.
So we had like, I know there's like shrimp and cheese and other kind of
Celery.
crab and celery. All kinds of stuff.
Shrimp.
The best way is just to bite into it.
Yeah, or scoop it out. Whatever you want.
Just as it. Cheers. You might as well just do it.
I don't want to see your tactic of it. Oh, not there.
Oh, no, not the shell. Don't eat the shells,
Did it look
people.
like shell?
Eat the soft part, not the shell. Okay,
Oh my gosh. Okay,
You're-
well, that wasn't part of the instructions.
you're gonna love that.
It looks breaded.
No, that's the
I
shell.
didn't know.
This part, no bueno. This part, bueno. All right, try that. You're gonna like that.
My teeth didn't like the first bite.
I bet.
Oh, that tastes really good though.
There are like onions and celery in there. I almost get like a Thanksgiving dinner vibe mixed with delicious crab and seafood.
Stuffing vibe.
You know, I gotta say, this is fantastic. Like, I would actually say this is a must try. I really like that. And you can buy them by the dozen.
Yeah.
Don't ask me how I know. As long as you don't bite the shells. They're very easy to eat. I'm going for seconds on that. What do you think?
They're really, really good. Tastes like good stuffing. I hate
Yeah,
stuffing vibe.
kind of got like a Thanksgiving vibe out of it. It's not a bad thing.
That's really good.
I'm actually like so impressed with that. And what else is super cool here is, I mean, while they have, you know, like 11 locations, 10 around the Houston area, they're still doing everything like by hand. They were hand stuffing these. These are made all in here. Same as the shrimp. They're deep processing the shrimp, the fish. It just really adds the experience. And I'm telling you, this place is so busy right now. It is just like, this place is always bumping. And I can really see why. You guys ever tried one of these?
Oh, no.
You want to try one? Want to try one? No? You want to try one? There you go. The guy's sharing his care. They're freaking good. Try one of those. There we go. I tell you, everybody, if I can share, I will. I always love to share. I just often can't share. All right, Kayla? You're sitting back in your seat. Does that mean you're full?
I'm very full. That was a lot of food.
All right, well,
I'm gonna watch you continue to demolish.
I'm gonna work through this a little bit more at least. I won't leave you waiting this whole time, but I definitely got to get through some more of these oysters. More of everything. It is just absolutely delicious. Oysters are something that you either love them or you hate them.
That's really good. I'm surprised.
Yeah. People, they aren't scary. People think oysters are scary. They're not. Yes, the texture's a little different, but they taste really good. And like I said, you can always find something like meat with like Tabasco. Some people it's lime, lemon. To change and add. I'm okay with this actually. Yeah, the Tabasco is a really nice flavor. I'm gonna load this one up. 50% Tabasco, 50% oyster. It's a very delicious ratio. What's your favorite today?
All of the shrimp were really, really good. This was good, minus the tooth injury. Yeah, no, it was all really good. Oh, this was really, I'm like, all of it. I'm like, this is also very good.
And they're telling me about what they do for crawfish season, because, I mean, I couldn't imagine how many crawfish you guys go through. It must be crazy, like the amount of just seafood in general you guys go through here. It's insane. Like, do you know how many like pounds of seafood a day you go through? Like,
Well, we have a specific kitchen position just to peel shrimp, or
Yeah.
that's how much shrimp we go through.
a full-time job to peel shrimp. Think about that, guys.
Yes.
Full-time.
And they're also the cutters for the whole fish from the seafood display. So yes, we go through a lot of shrimp. 100 pounds per day. 100 pounds per day.
100 pounds seafood?
Of shrimp.
100 pounds of shrimp?
Just of shrimp? That's insane.
Guys, 100 pounds. We go through a whole human of shrimp a day. Is that like one location? All locations? Here alone? Holy cow! So like if that was the same in all locations, you're talking 1,100 pounds of shrimp a day.
And 180 pounds of shrimp in the day.
And 180 pounds on a weekend day? That's me! That's literally they go through a joel of shrimp in a day. That's insane! Like I said, guys, this place is crazy busy. The only place you can all hear us right now, because we have this like, it's like a closed off room, which what do you call this room?
We call it the private VIP room, and you can reserve it. We usually don't take reservations, we first come, first serve. But if you have a party, you can talk to the manager and they'll make it happen.
Private VIP room. I would definitely recommend. I wouldn't consider myself necessarily a VIP, but maybe a like VHP, very hungry person, maybe something like that. But yeah, so like beautiful restaurant. We'll definitely show it around. I'm going to continue to work through this a little bit more. That being said, I know Kayla's pretty much finished here, so
You
we'll
can eat all you want.
get going through it again. But this is. It's just too good. The experience has been fantastic. The food is great. The staff have been amazing, guys. Definitely, if you're ever in the area, anywhere close, don't just stop by a Mambo. I heard from a local that apparently this is a very popular place for first dates. I'm not sure if it's because the food is so good or because it's cheap. Not cheap, but it's very affordable, let's be honest. Like, very, very affordable. Very reasonable places. Especially for seafood. The way seafood is nowadays, guys, when you get great seafood like this, you can't beat it. A little onions on here, a little onions, a little olives. Okay, let's get to pick 3 items. What would it be?
Mambo shrimp, these fried shrimp, and probably these.
Stuffed crab?
Yeah. They are great.
And so you eat a bowl, a giant bowl of seafood cocktail. Well, that's a tough one. Everything's been fantastic. But I think, patience. I think I would go through I would say the seafood cocktail or ceviche, under the seafood at the start. Like this, and the oysters, delicious. And I'm copping out and saying that it's still one if it's on the oyster. So this is one. They have more drinks coming our way. I'm not even sure what all this is, so.
Yeah, so you have to try our famous mango lava.
Mango lava, so it's like a blended mango drink, right?
Right.
Tahini?
Yeah.
Nice.
Well,
Okay.
it's our own, we call it pica mambo, and it's our own.
Pica mambo, okay,
Yeah.
I'm excited. Looks like a delicious little spice.
So good.
And here we got a michelada. That's like a kind of like a hot sauce.
Yeah, it's kind of a hot sauce.
No, actually, I think actually, All right, but like you can use this as a hot sauce or in a beer, right?
So yeah, it's our own michelada mix, and you can also use it just as a hot sauce.
Damn. All right, I can do that.
Yeah.
Okay. I mean, I'll try it. I'm not a big drinker, but gotta give it a shot. This I know because I was looking at your website. You guys have your own dedicated website for this michelada. Is that correct?
Yes, correct. We have our own website called mambochelada.com where we sell the michelada mix and we ship it anywhere in the U.S.
Okay.
So it's really good. You can also buy it in store.
I have never had something like that before. It doesn't taste like a beer anymore.
Yeah. This is so good.
Yeah, okay. Let's try it. Yeah, I'd like. Is it a salted rib?
Yes.
So the salted rib with the little bit of like I don't know, just the spice in it. It's like, I don't know how to describe it. Yeah.
It's like a Caesar.
Yeah, kind of like
beer,
kind of like cocktail Bloody Mary Caesar kind of in a way, but like beer vibe. And here is the michelada mix. You can buy that at your stores, and you buy this not just here but on stores right now
Yeah,
and
some
online.
stores carry it in Texas, but
That's so
mostly
cool.
if you want it shipped anywhere, go online.
That is amazing. So michelada mix, guys. We're learning by the moment. There is lots of stuff. I'm gonna put this right here for now.
This is so good too.
I gotta
You
try
should
this
that,
one.
yeah.
It's good. Oh my god. Anyway, I don't remember where I was. The camera shut off a while ago. Here we are, but that's about that, everybody. I mean, like I said, I'll probably pick at things a little bit more here, but huge thank you, Mambo, for having us out, guys. This was an amazing spread of food. I've absolutely enjoyed it. Oh, I know where I was. I was picking my three items. Get a little sidetracked, like I said, a little excited with food. So I would definitely do the seafood cocktail on or off an oyster. This is a good way to do it. I really do think that. And put some Tabasco on it. There's my vibe. Or the michelada mix. Put the michelada mix right on there. Right at the bottom.
You're counting down this one?
Yeah.
Because it's on top?
1A, 1B, it counts. I would then definitely go with one of those whole fish. I love a good fried fish. That was fantastic. They do have tortillas and everything. You want to make fish with them, or like fish tacos. I totally forgot about the tortillas, otherwise I would have loved to have done that. And they have all these for the hot sauces too as well. That'd be 2. And 3. I'm torn between what would be called like the number 1, which is basically the pairing of the fried shrimp and the fried masa, or the stuffed crab. This was like very, very, very good. I didn't know what to expect for this one. Obviously, like fried fish, I kind of knew what to expect. But when you throw the fish in the tartar sauces and that spicy mayo, delicious. But I think I want to go with these. These are just 10 out of 10. The lobster is pretty good as well. That mambo sauce, I think I understand why you get the mambo sauce and dip everything and pour everything else on it. There's just too many options. There's a lot of dang good stuff. And the drinks. And get one of these.
Yes, these are really, really
That was really cool too, especially if you like beer, but this is, yeah, I don't know. That's just fantastic. So, I'm just going to say goodbye. I know I was supposed to be eating and rambling for too long, but we're going to continue hanging out here. Huge thanks to everybody guys came out to watch. Really appreciate the support. And that's about that, everyone. So until next time, of course, stay happy, hungry, happy eating. Hope you enjoyed this seafood feast. And I'm probably just going to be eating some more. So I'm going to continue to do so. So you can hang around for a minute if you want. If not, have a lovely day. Dang nabbit cat, you're gonna be down the menu next week if you don't shut up. So everybody, thanks so much for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed. click my face right here to subscribe. And also I picked 2 videos. That's right, 2 videos just for you that you might like. Right here. So like I said, guys, hit that subscribe, hit one of these videos, do it right now. Until next time, have a lovely day.